Hey guys, it's Miss Flores. I am so excited that you are in my class this year. I cannot wait to meet you all. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you a quick little video of all the other first grade teachers that you might also see around.
First grade teacher anthem! Hi, I am Miss Bowles and I teach first grade. When my students arrive, I say, yay, my day is made. I love to teach reading and I love to teach writing, but everything we learn is equally exciting.
Hi, I am Miss Marshall and I teach at your school. All the students agree that I am really cool. I know this year is different, but please don't be stressed. I put my students first because I know they are the best.
Hi, my name is Miss Fierce and I hope to be your teacher. They say that teaching math is my best feature. I love to teach you how to write. I love to teach to read, but everything I do is to help you succeed.
Hi, I am Miss Mosley and I'm a teacher too. I can't wait to meet each and every one of you. This year will look much different, but I know we will have fun. When this year is over, you'll say, second, here I come.
Hi, I am Miss Flores, and first is what I teach. My students have so many goals that I will help them reach. I know that we will have such a special year, but please come to school with your protective gear.
All right, so here's just a little bit about me. This is my 5th year teaching at Shaw as a Shining Shaw Star, and I just love this school. The community is so amazing here. We're all just one big family, and I can't wait to meet you and also have you in our family. I live in Rogers with my husband and our 2 dogs, and that's the picture of them right there. I just wanted to quickly talk a little bit about the benefits of a split class because we're going to have first graders and also second graders in our classroom. And it's so great because there's just going to be such a wide range of curricula that we get to cover across the 2 grades. And because of this, we have more time to review some standards that, maybe we didn't get to last year because we had to go to virtual learning. So we'll get to review those things, but also when we're ready, we get to take our learning even further and go into some of those deeper second grade contents. And then your child was carefully selected for this class because of their maturity and readiness level, but also because of their positive behavior and social skills. So, we really worked hard on our class list, and your child was just chosen because we think that they will really excel in a split class. This is just a picture of our classroom. I know that floating around in social media, there's a lot of really scary things right now, but I just wanted to give you a little look into what you are going to be coming into on the first day of school. We're still going to be at our tables. We're still going to use carpet spots, but we're also going to, do it safely. We're going to have our masks. We're going to be sanitizing. So I just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of that so that you know kind of what you're going to be walking into. We are so lucky because we get to have an intern this fall, and her name is Miss Mooney. And so I'm going to let her talk a little bit about herself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Caroline Mooney, and I am very excited to be interning in Mrs. Flores' classroom this fall. I'm from Southlake, Texas, where I live with my family and our 3 dogs. And I am a senior at the University of Arkansas, and I'm pursuing my bachelor's in elementary education. I'm very excited for this opportunity to learn from Ms. Flores and all of your students this year and spend my student teaching at such an amazing school like Shaw.
All right, so this is our schedule. Now, this is a rough draft. I am sure it will change a million times before school starts, but this is just kind of what I'm thinking with what the information that is available right now. When it gets a little bit more finalized and it's set in stone, I will include on the back of your child's take home folder a copy of our daily schedule. So you'll know exactly what times we do what and kind of where we are at the building at that time. Your child gets to participate in these specials. So we're going to have library once a week, art once a week. We'll have PE twice a week, and then music once a week also. And I will, again, when the schedule is a little bit more detailed, I will put this on the back of your child's take home folder as well. So you will always have this information available while you're at home. And something that we're doing new this year is water bottles. So, water bottles will be provided for your student. You can also bring your own, that's fine too. But I do ask that you send the water bottle back to school every day since we have had to turn off the water fountains here at school. So, you can bring your own water bottle, you can use the one provided for you, but just make sure you're washing it at home and bring it back. I suggest maybe like every Friday we take it home and wash it because, we're only going to have water in it, but you are welcome to take that back and forth. Just know that I don't have any extras, so your child would be responsible. They are more than able to just leave it in the classroom, and that would be fine too. So our lunch is going to be at 10:45 every day. Sadly, because of COVID, visitors are not allowed in the building. So if it's a nice day, you are welcome to come to school and you and your child can have a picnic outside together. We just need to limit the amount of traffic that's going through the hallways this year. The homework. So, the only homework that you have in first and second grade is to read. Your child will bring home a reading log each month, and each night they read, your child can color in a treasure chest, and you just initial by the treasure chest saying that they read with you. And then at the end of the month, there'll be a mystery chest that the teacher will choose. And if your child has that treasure chest colored, they will get a prize. And so I'll keep this in the front of your take home folder. And so each night you can just pull it out and put it back in. Some of my expectations is just, be on time, read. That is so, so, so important. Be kind to others. And I just ask that we have process over perfection. I just, there's going to be so much different this year. And there are going to be things that we're going to try out at the beginning of the year. And maybe we find that they don't work. And so we'll have to do something else. But, we'll just work together and, nothing's going to be perfect at first. So we will have a great process while we do this. And then just a little quote from Albert Einstein: anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. A little bit more on the expectations. So we might have an oops day every now and then. And it's important that I can communicate those things with you, but also I just want to make sure that I'm slowing down and that I can talk with your child about, whatever the oops was that we made and how they felt and like how we can just change and do better next time. So I will be sending home a think sheet. It will look something like this. This isn't the exact one that I use, but something like this. Just where me and your child can sit down and talk about, like, well, what happened? How did it make you feel? Maybe what can you try next time instead? And then it also keeps you in the communication too, where you know what we talked about as well. So I'll send this home if we ever do have a problem. And I can always call you, we can email, I'm available like that as well. So you can get more information too if you need it. Going into that, staying connected, Seesaw is going to be our main way of communication. This is also the system used for remote teaching if we need to go that route. You will sign up to your child's Seesaw account. They will have a student side and you will have the parent side. You will be able to see everything that they post on their student side. And this is a place where I can communicate with you too. You will miss information if you do not sign up for your child's Seesaw. It is so, so, so important, especially this year. I also like to post a lot of videos and pictures of your kids. And what's so awesome about this is that it's just our class. So only the people in our classroom will be able to view those pictures and videos. Um, this is also another really important thing I want to talk about. If you ever need to change the way that your child goes home, you have to call the office to do this. I sometimes won't have my phone with me all day. And so I miss the Seesaw messages or the emails throughout the day. So if you call the office and let them know the change, they can just call me and I can make sure that your child will go home that way. Same goes for, any information you need to get to me. If you need it, if it's crucial that I hear that, just call the office and let them know, and I can call you back, or you can just send me a message. So just go ahead and call the office if you ever need to change anything during the day. And then I know this was quick and it's not a whole lot of information, but if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. This is my email, and I just can't wait to meet everybody. Bye.